Welcome. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to edit the university listed on your Facebook profile using your PC after the latest update. It's a straightforward process, so let's jump right in. First, head over to facebook.com and log into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, you need to navigate to the About section. It's usually located under your cover photo and profile details. Click on About to proceed to the next step. In the About section, you'll find various categories of information. Look for Work and Education and click on it. This section lists all the educational institutions and workplaces you've added to your profile. Find the university you want to edit. Next to the university name, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Edit School/University. This option allows you to modify the details of your university. Now you can make the necessary changes. You can update details such as the years you attended, your degree, or even the school itself. Once you've made your changes and you're happy with the new information, click the Save button to apply the edits. And that's it. You've successfully edited your university information on Facebook using your PC. This is especially useful if you've recently graduated, changed schools, or simply want to correct any outdated information on your profile. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.